Okay, so let's use subtraction to use word problems. So first, I'm going to read the problem. Please follow along. Crocodile Catan had a toothache, so he went to the dentist. The dentist inspected Crocodile Catan's mouth and decided to pull out 12 teeth. If Crocodile Catan had 50 teeth, how many teeth is he going to be left with after he leaves the dentist office? So, to solve this, you're gonna have to do more than tell me what the answer is. You can't just say, oh, the answer is, oh, I know, the answer is 5. No, I want you to show me your steps. I want you to show me your thinking and your work. So remember, for word problems, when we did addition, we learned a strategy called IDEA. So I'm going to write it down here. So IDEA for idea. Now these are just 4 steps that you're going to use to solve the problem. The first one is I, which stands for, do you remember? Information. So what you have to do here is to find out what important information do I need to solve the problem. So you're going to read the problem once again and you're going to underline and write down the important information. So let me read it one more time. Crocodile Catan had a toothache, so he went to the dentist. Do we need to know that it was Crocodile Catan that went to the dentist or that he had a toothache to solve the problem? No, so it's not very important. I'm not going to underline it. The dentist inspected Crocodile Catan's mouth and decided to pull out 12 teeth. Now here we have a number. They're telling us, or I'm telling you, how many teeth the dentist pulled out. So he pulled out, that's same as saying take away or subtract 12 teeth. And we can write this down here for information. Pull out 12 teeth. That must hurt. That's a lot of teeth to pull out at once. All right, so let's keep going. If Crocodile Catan had 50 teeth, so that's another number that they're giving us. This is important. He had 50 teeth to start with. So he had 50 teeth to start with. Okay. How many teeth is he going to be left with after he leaves the dentist office? Now, the question is asking us how many teeth is he going to have at the end. That's very important. That tells us what we're looking for, what the word problem is asking us to do. So the question that I'm trying to answer is, how many teeth are going to be left at the end when the dentist pulls out the 12 teeth? So how many left? Question mark, and there should be a question mark here because it's a question. Okay, so the next step, D, represents draw. And here you don't really have to draw. You can show me your strategy. You can choose one strategy, let's say a number line. You can show me more than one strategy if you want to. Let's say you wanted to do number line algorithm, you can do that. Let's try number line. So I'm going to draw my line. Okay, now initially at first, Crocodile Catan had 50 teeth. That's a lot of teeth. All right. And how many did the dentist pull out? 12. Ouch, that's gonna hurt. So I need to make jumps to subtract 12. So how am I gonna do that? Well, I can decide what each jump is gonna be. Let's say I want one jump that represents 10. So 50 minus 10 is 40. Am I done? No, I've only subtracted 10. I need to subtract 12. So I'm going to do another jump that's worth 2. 40 minus 2 is 38. Now, did I subtract 12? Yes, I did. And my answer is 38. Now, let's move on to the next step. E is for, do you remember? Equality. equation. Do you remember what an equation looks like? So I'm going to represent my answer, 38, by drawing an equation. So at first, Crocodile Catan had 50 teeth. The dentist pulled out 12, so minus or subtract 12, ouch, equals 38. So your answer should look something, your equation should look something like this. And it will be different depending on what numbers you have. And now for your answer, you're not just going to tell me 12 teeth. You have to write a full, say it, full sentence. There you go. So my full sentence. So the question is asking, how many teeth is Crocodile Catan going to be left with after he leaves the dentist office? So I'm going to write Crocodile Catan, it's not Croto, it's Crocodile Catan is going to have 38 teeth left. And you can add, if you want, left after he leaves the dentist's office. And you're done. Easy peasy. Choose whatever strategy you want. Make sure you follow the 4 steps. I'm going to post some problems on Brightspace for you to do. If you have any trouble, you can message me and I can try my best to help you out. All right. Bye, everybody.